Communities in the northwest are in shock and grieving this evening after two young men from Derry were killed and another was injured in a road crash late last night. The collision involving a lorry and a car happened in the Donegal village of St Johnston.
The R236 in St Johnston in East Donegal was closed this morning as Garda forensic collision investigators carried out a technical examination. The fatal collision involving a car and a lorry happened about 11:15 last night. Three young men aged in their late teens were travelling in the car. Both passengers died. One man died at the scene and a second man was pronounced dead at Altnagelvin Hospital in Derry. The driver of the car was taken to the Royal Victoria Hospital in Belfast with serious injuries. The young men who lost their lives came from the Shantala area of Derry City. People in Derry spoke of a sense of shock.
These are families whose lives will be changed forever. In a couple of days' time, all of us will go on about our business and it'll become yet another statistic. But here we have now families, more families, whose lives are utterly changed and totally devastated and will never be the same again.
People are just devastated by this, of course. I'm sure the community will respond and they'll have the full support of the community already. I know tonight Shantala Community Centre is opening for friends of these boys, so all our young people can go along there. There will be counselling and that available for them. I think that's a very good and proactive step from the community in that regard.
The Cairla of Donegal County Council said there's a sense of numbness in the northwest.
You know, and St Johnston's so close to Derry, so everybody's numb in the northwest at the minute because a tragedy like this taking two lives.
Garda are appealing to anyone who may have witnessed this collision or who may have any information that may help their investigation to contact them. The loss of these young men's lives has left a sense of sadness, shock and heartbreak in this border region. Shino Corrin, RT News, St Johnston, County Donegal.